Hello everyone! Are you in control of your money, or is your money controlling you? Ever wondered how some people seem to master their financial life while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Today, we're diving into the essential tips from Your Life, Your Money, a book that reveals practical, life-changing advice for taking control of your finances, no matter your current situation. Oh, and stick around, because I've got an intriguing fact that might just change the way you think about money forever. Pro tip number 1: financial planning. One of the book's core lessons is that financial planning is not just for the wealthy or the mathematically gifted, it's for everyone. Think about your life like a business. Every business needs a plan to succeed, and so does your financial life. By laying out a clear plan for your income, expenses, and future goals, you'll stop feeling like you're scrambling to catch up and start taking control. Tip number 2 from the book is to spend according to your values. Ever wondered where all your money goes even though you're not buying anything major? Well, it's time to align your spending with what really matters to you. The idea here is simple. Stop spending on things that don't bring joy or fulfillment, and start channeling that money into areas of your life that matter. Whether it's investing in education, saving for travel, or simply setting aside more for your future, this is about intentional spending. Your money should support your life, not the other way around. Pro tip number 3: emergency fund. Let's talk about something that many people overlook: the emergency fund. It's your financial lifeline when life throws unexpected curveballs. Imagine being hit with a medical bill, sudden car repair, or even a job loss. How would you handle it? The book emphasizes building an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This way, you're prepared for life's surprises and don't have to rely on credit cards or loans that can drag you into debt. Surprisingly, 60% of people are made broke trying to cough up $1,000 for an emergency. Now, pro tip number 4 is really a tip for all the lazy savers out there. Automating your savings is one of the simplest, most effective ways to build wealth without even thinking about it. By setting up automatic transfers, you'll be consistently building your savings and investments, even if you forget, or life gets busy. That's money growing in the background while you focus on living your life. Alright, here's the intriguing fact I promised you. Most people think they need millions to retire comfortably or to feel financially free. But here's the truth. You don't need as much as you think. The key is in managing your money, not just earning more of it. The book, Your Life, Your Money, teaches that if you're smart about how you save, spend, and invest, you can build a secure financial future without hitting those seemingly impossible numbers. It's all about working smarter with what you have. Pro tip number 5 is to invest for the long term. Now, when it comes to investing, the book recommends starting as soon as possible, even if it's with small amounts. Compound interest is a magical thing. It can turn small, consistent investments into significant wealth over time. Whether you're into index funds, stocks, or retirement accounts, the key is to start early and stay consistent. It's about the long game, building wealth over time. So there you have it, 5 practical, life-changing tips from Your Life, Your Money. I hope this gave you a clearer path to taking control of your finances and living life on your terms. But I want to hear from you. What's your biggest financial struggle? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use it. If you want other advice on personal finance, make sure to check out my other videos too. Until next time, remember, it's not just about how much money you make, but how you use it. Take control of your life and let your money work for you. Thanks for watching.